Tonight I'm making salmon smoked on a cedar plank on the grill. If you don't have a cedar plank, don't worry about it because the coating I'm going to teach you will be delicious just on salmon fillets, and you could probably use it on different protein as well, but it's really good on salmon. But if you do have a plank, you soak it for at least an hour. I soak it much longer because I think the longer the soaking, the better the smoking. So here's the coating. It's a tablespoon of each. Salt, I'm using smoked salt, but you can use any kind of salt. A tablespoon of garlic powder, dried basil, tarragon, pepper, and this is the part that sounds crazy, a tablespoon of brown sugar. I know, brown sugar on salmon, trust me, it's delicious. So all you do, put your salmon on the board, press it on. Just on the top, you don't have to do the sides. That's it. Now we're going to take this plank and put it right on a hot grill. Close the lid, no peeking. And there you have dinner for two. Serve it with mixed vegetables, a side salad, whatever you like.